Hello everyone, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we are going to discuss about another very important scenario where we can utilize IBM Bob to prepare the analysis report. So what I'll do, I'll show you a demo where we will feed one RPGLE program to IBM Bob, and then we will ask IBM Bob to prepare the indicator analysis report. That means we are looking for all the indicators that are being used in the program, and we want a complete analysis report for that. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will use this demo program, that is INDRPT, where we have source code of around 100 lines, 106 line, which contains some of the indicators. So now the requirement is very simple. We want to prepare one analysis report where we want all the details related to indicators, like what all the indicators are used, how it is used for test purpose, or we will also prepare one risk analysis for the indicator that are used in the source. Okay, so these all things we are going to discuss. I'll show you and give you the exact prompt that you can use for your project purposes as well. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released session first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow it sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to use IBM Bob to perform a indicator based analysis. Okay, and for that you can also refer the Texture Myth digital course book, which is freely available in the description box. There you will find more than 3600 plus sessions available in both Hindi as well as English language. So without any language barrier, you can easily consume the content, and if there is any question or query for that, you can simply reach out to me through comment section. So I would be more than happy to answer all your questions there. Okay, alright, so let's get started. And now as I already show you the program, so this program contains multiple indicators and some logic is written here, right? One data structure is used here. So for that program we will write one prompt. So you can see I just pasted my prompt here, and I'll walk you through this prompt and we'll see like what all things we have specified and how it will generate the output. So as usual, firstly we are assigning the role to the IBM Bob. So we are assigning, you are a certified IBM i INLR RPG expert with 20 plus years of experience on IBM i AS400. Okay, after that I will give you a full free RPGLE program named as INDRPT. Analyze every indicator used in this program and prepare a complete indicator analysis report. Okay, so we want complete indicator analysis report. Return the report in this exact structure. Okay, what is the structure? Section 1, indicator inventory. For indicator inventory, list every indicator found in the program, indicator number or name, type of indicator, general, LR, overflow, okay, line number where it appears. So this is my first section. For my second section, indicator uses table. For every indicator, show indicator, set on, set off, tested, and its purpose. So in this format I need a indicator users table. For the third section, I need indicator flow analysis. For each indicator trace, where it is initialized, where it is set on and why, where it is set off and why, where it is tested and what happens after that. Okay, so this thing should come under a section 3. Then in section 4, I want indicator risk report. So here what I want, this is very important topic, because here we will do a proper indicator risk report, like flag any of these problems: indicator set on but never tested, indicator tested but never set on, indicator never reset to off, always on risk, same indicator used for multiple purposes, indicator used as both input and output flag. So these are all conditions that I want to be specific. Specifically I want to provide this instruction so that it can do a proper indicator risk analysis report. For the fifth section, I need named indicator recommendation. So for every indicator, suggest a meaningful name to replace it, POS number or INDDS mapping. Okay, so I need, let's say I have not utilized the INDDS or indicator data structure array, right? So here I want a suggestion on that, like what would be the meaningful name for it, what would be the position for the INDDS mapping, and reason for the suggested name. In section 3, I need a complete INDDS declaration. Write the complete INDDS ready to use in this format: DCLDS, INDDS, INDDS, all indicators with its position mapping, and NDS. Okay, so overall there are 6 sections in which I need my output. Apart from this, there are few rules that are very important, which include: read every line of the code exactly, do not miss any indicator, INXX equals star on means set on, INXX star off means set off. If INXX, or you can double X, DOW INXX means tested. Flag any indicator used for dual purpose. Use IBM RPG standard only. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just simply press enter on this prompt. Before we execute this prompt, always remember to do a proper review once the output is generated. Doesn't matter which AI model you are using, it might provide you the wrong output. It might give you the incorrect information, because after all this is a AI model and still it is in a learning phase, so it might hallucinate somewhere. Okay, although it will provide the correct output, but still it's your responsibility to make sure that whatever you are using here is properly utilized, reviewed. It is properly reviewed before it is utilized. Clear? Alright, so I think this part is clear. Now I'll just simply hit or execute this prompt, and then within few seconds it will ask for the approval to read this file. So you can see it is asking for me to read this file, which is on my local folder. I'll just simply approve it. Once it is approved, it will take few seconds and then it will prepare the complete report. As I mentioned report, that's why it is creating a report to a file, but that is fine, like it's good. At least it is creating something in a structured manner. So we have got this. So let me slightly reduce the width here, and this one we can simply collapse for now. So this is how it will generate the report. Okay, so you can see every indicator is considered here in the exact format which we shared, right? So after once the MD file is ready, that is the report file, it will ask us for to save this file, and we will save it, and then we will see. Okay, you can see this option save, just save it, and now I'll just show you how you can compare it. Okay, so in section 1, indicator inventory. So these are the indicators that are used, like IN50, general purpose, line numbers. So it is on 39, 59, 38, 59, 64, 74. Let's verify that. So IN50, you can see on line number. Let me copy it and I'll search for it. So it is on line number 38, which is correct. Okay, then it is on line number 59, correct, 64, correct, and then we have on 74. That means it is perfectly positioned. Okay, so total indicator found 7. General purpose indicator are IN50, 51, 60s, 90, 91, 95. System indicator is INLR, that is also true. Then you can see this is the indicator set on status. So it is set on 64. So if you check line number 64, you will find it is set there. Correct, it is set here. Okay, so this is also true. Then line number 74, it is tested. We can verify that too. 74, yes, it is tested in if condition, true. So purpose, gold customer type flag. Okay, silver customer type flag. So likewise it has assigned something. Then we have indicator flow analysis report, where it analyzes everything properly, like what is customer type, and when it is set on, when it is set off, when it is tested, and what's the flow for that. Okay, So firstly it is initialized, then reset per iteration, set based on customer type, tested for discount calculation. Okay, likewise it analyze all the indicators and then indicator risk report, as we asked to provide the risk report. So you can see it is set on line number 86, tested never, risk level is high because logic is incomplete, high balance customer are flagged out, but no action is taken. Recommendation: either test this indicator and implement high balance logic or remove it entirely. So likewise it will just suggest the things. So you can see high risk, critical risk, medium risk and low risk. Okay, then this is the name indicator recommendation. 50 can be make the indicator as is gold customer, is silver customer, is regular customer, right? Position is also suggested and reason is also suggested. And as we were looking for the complete INDDS, so you can see it provided us complete declaration for INDDS with proper definition, position and comments also. Okay, and these are the benefits of named indicator. Code is immediately understandable, easier to modify and debug. Okay, and then we have remaining part of the thing, that is conclusion. So I think this is perfect report, right? Because for indicator we got this kind of information, you can share it with your clients or maybe within your team to work accordingly. It will for sure enhance your productivity, right? But again, I would strongly recommend you to always review these things before actually using it, because it might hallucinate and provide you the wrong information. So just do your work with responsibility, review the code and enjoy the IBM Bob output. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today, and in the next session we'll discuss few more things. Meanwhile, you can refer the previously sessions, and if there is any query you can help reach out to me through the comment section. Yeah, so yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session with new topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmat.